Welcome to the process of tracking, reporting, and verifying your community service hours. When giving back to your community, you are representing ESU, and tracking those hours shows ESU's contribution to the development of our community. Let's get started. After we have volunteered, we need to document the hours using Excel. The Microsoft Excel tracking form can be found at esu.edu/service learning. Once you have downloaded the service learning tracking sheet, I suggest you save it somewhere safe and easily accessible. After downloading the Excel spreadsheet, select the appropriate tab you want to add, either Community Service or Philanthropy Dollars. Let's start with Community Service. At the top of the spreadsheet are your events and dates. Type your events along with the appropriate month, date, and year. It is recommended that events are entered chronologically. If you need to add more events spaces, which will be the columns, right-click the column letter or right-click the row number in the middle of the table. After you right-click, select Copy. Then right-click the column and select Insert Copied Cells. After we have typed the events, fill in all participants. It is recommended that participants are added by last name and first name order. If you have more members than spaces, the rows are going to be inserted in the middle of the table. Right-click on the row number, select Copy. Right-click on the row again and select Insert Copied Cells. To make sure the formatting of the table does not change, it is required that you insert your cells in the middle of the spreadsheet. Once you have all of the participants listed, it is time to document their hours. Hours are formatted in the form of hour, minute, and second. We will use member 1 as an example to show how it works. Let's say member 1 worked for 2 hours. The typing would be 2:00:00. Now we will use member 2 as another example. Let's say member 2 worked for 3 hours and 30 minutes. We would type 2:30:00. After typing all the members and member hours formatted under the appropriate event and date tabs, we can view the table. The table provides us the individual member totals in the last column on the right for each semester, as well as total hours worked on the bottom of each event column. Now that you have finished tracking your data for community service, follow the same process for Philanthropy Dollars. Once you have finished your tracking for community service and Philanthropy Dollars, save your document and email it to the Volunteer Services Coordinator at wholt@esu.edu. After sending the document, access the Civic Engagement Service, which is located at esu.edu/service learning. You will use a spreadsheet to ensure that all data is provided on the survey.